एवरीबॉडी नमस्कार।
नमस्ते।
टुडे इज 14। लेट मी रिमाइंड यू, ये जो आप कर रहे हैं उसके अलग से मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ इस वक्त। आज 14 तारीख है और 14 तारीख मतलब वही दिन होता है जो काला दिन होता है फॉर एवरी SSRian, राइट। एक और चीज आपके दिमाग में या आपके नॉलेज में लाना चाहूंगा इस वक्त। आपको जैसे पता होगा कि सीबीआई की जो डायरेक्टर है वो इंटीरियम डायरेक्टर है, ही इज नॉट द ओरिजिनल डायरेक्टर। अभी ओरिजिनल डायरेक्टर आना बाकी है, क्योंकि फरवरी के मंथ में इस डायरेक्टर की एक अपॉइंट होने वाले थे। तो बीच में इलेक्शन आने के कारण सारे जो सर्वदलीय बैठक होता है वहां पे बहुत सारे लोग एब्सेंट थे, इसके वजह से डायरेक्टर की अभी तक फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो पाई है। मतलब दिस केस इज अगेन गोइंग टू लिंगर and sad part is that nobody is bothered about what is going in the social media. That is the saddest part. इतनी बड़ी बड़ी भयंकर भयंकर वरुण भाई द फादर प्लेटफॉर्म ने किया है, उसके बाद भी अगर प्रशासन नहीं हिली तो मैं तो कहूंगा कि बहुत ज्यादा एक खतरनाक वाली चीज है। 12 महीने लाखों सैकड़ों वीडियो बनेंगे, लेकिन आपको क्या मिला? रिजल्ट मिला जीरो, कुछ भी नहीं हो पाया। आप लोगों ने जिस तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन की है ये तो सीबीआई को करना चाहिए। अगर सीबीआई ने कर भी दी होगी तो पब्लिक के सामने आना चाहिए। यहाँ पे क्या सिनेरियो आता है, सीबीआई अभी तक डायरेक्टर कोई अपॉइंट नहीं कर पाए, तो केस कहां से सॉल्व होगा? केस के लिए हम माथापच्ची कर रहे हैं, केस कहां से सॉल्व होगा? केस तो तभी सॉल्व होगा ना कोई प्रधान ऊपर में आकर गाइड करेगा। मतलब अब जो नया बनेगा सीबीआई का डायरेक्टर, वो फिर से नया टीम बनाएगा, फिर से इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगी, फिर से वही पोस्टमार्टम होगी। मतलब क्या हो रहा है?
नहीं,
व्हाट इज हैपनिंग?
I think just to add, right, as much as I know and I'll let others also chime in, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सब कुछ दोबारा से होगा, and hopefully I'm keeping my fingers crossed, if I remember it correctly, May 24th को they will definitely decide. So इसी महीने में in another 10 days we should have a new director. But director is a post who is gonna be the senior or the head of the team, right? जो टीम काम कर रही है obviously उसके ऊपर इम्पैक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, is my understanding.
पर वरुण भाई, I want to interject in this point. मैं आपको बीच में रोकूंगा with due respect to you. देखिए, ऐसा होता है कि हमारे देश में जो हायरकी है, हायरकी के ऊपर से कोई भी नहीं जा सकता है। अगर कोई टीम काम भी कर रही होगी तो हायरकी को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा, हायरकी के अप्रूवल के बाद ही कुछ ना कुछ हो पाएगा। जैसे एनसीबी के जो एक्शन से आपको पता लगा कि उन्होंने 12,000 पन्नों की चार्जशीट दाखिल कर दी, क्योंकि हायरकी था वहां पर, अभी भी एक्टिव है, जो कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आके बोल के गए हैं। पर सीबीआई की तरफ से ऐसे कोई हायरकी दिख ही नहीं रहा है। दैट वाज माय एंजाइटी टू स्पीक दिस। आई एम नथिंग अगेंस्ट द एजेंसीज, बिकॉज विदाउट एजेंसीज वी कैन नॉट सॉल्व द केसेस। बट 24 तारीख को अपॉइंट होगी, मुझे पता है, लेकिन उसके बाद क्या होगा? विल देयर बी अ कॉन्क्रीट आंसर टू ईच क्वेश्चंस और इट विल बी अगेन अ ईयर? दिस वाज माय कंसर्न, because you guys have done a fantastic job where I think all persons should get a standing ovation from my side, because आपने जिस तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेट की एक एक पॉइंट को, फ्रेम वाइज फ्रेम, जब फिल्म बनती है फ्रेम वाइज फ्रेम, कट टू कट फ्रेम आपने बातें की है जो कि फुल्ली वैलिड है, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट। बट स्टिल वी हैव टू प्रूफ इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉज। इसीलिए डायरेक्टर को होना बहुत जरूरी है। दैट इज व्हाई माय कंसर्न वाज। और जो अब तो लगभग ये थर्ड वर्जन बन रहा है, फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड वर्जन बन रहा है ये सारा बॉलीवुड का जो गंदगी है SSR 13 14 को रिलेटेड। तो इसमें इतने बड़े बड़े चीज सामने आ रहे हैं, उसके बाद भी अगर प्रशासन नहीं हिली तो इट्स वेरी शॉकिंग। देयर शुड बी अ स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम एनीबॉडी। सामने मत आओ, एक प्रेस भी मत करो, लेकिन एक ट्वीट, अच्छा ट्वीट तो आप हो नहीं, अच्छा आप एक अपने पोर्टल पे कुछ लिख के दो, वी आर ऑन द वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग। दिस वाज माय कंसर्न, और कुछ नहीं।
अमित जी, एक बात बोलूं, आई कॉन्कर विथ व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, एंड आई थिंक सीबीआई से क्वेश्चन करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एट दिस पॉइंट। आई थिंक फ्रीज एंड हेमा जी, वरुण, ऑल वुड अग्री विथ मी। बट मेरे लिए अगर इस केस का कोई डायरेक्टर है, देन दैट इज अमित शाह जी, मोटा भाई, because he was the one who gave go ahead to this case. So how about just asking him on his Twitter? How about all of us just going there and questioning and requesting him that we need an update, and we don't care कोई director आता है जाता है, हर company में CEO आते हैं जाते हैं, टीम काम कर रही है, इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है, आपने बोला था कि ये जाकर केस सॉल्व करेगी, तो अब 1 साल होने जा रहा है, प्लीज हमें बताइए आप कहाँ हैं. एंड आई थिंक मोटा भाई वुड गिव इट अ फेयर chance and reply to us. I have hopes.
Yes, we can go ahead. I think we should decide and we should also think of this also, because अभी 14 के बाद से तो ये एक्शन होना ही चाहिए. Because और क्या चाहिए आपके पास, और क्या सबूत चाहिए आपके पास? Everything is crystal clear like water. और क्या चाहिए आपके पास? There is nothing to prove. There is only one thing. We need an answer. That's what.
अमित जी, ये तो हमने सिर्फ आधा ही दिखाया है, और भी कितना वो स्टीव पिंटो का ये वो सब कुछ है.
आधा से ही 100 मिल गया है. अगर 100 दिखाओगे तो घमासान मच जाएगा भाई. मैं तो यही कहना
हाँ जी, 100 तो बोल ही नहीं सकते ना यहाँ पे, तो 100 बोल दिया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी.
बहुत भयंकर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. इसलिए मेरा 50% इज मोर देन इनफ. 100 तो छोड़ ही दीजिए आप. 50%.
We all understand what you're saying, because हमारे मन में भी, मैं भी ऐसे बोलती हूँ कि हाँ सीबीआई कर रही होगी, बट मेरे दिमाग में भी पीछे चल रहा होता है कि क्या कर रही होगी, लाइक कब तक हम क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे, कब तक वेट करेंगे करके.
I will say कि मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि गुस्सा बहुत मेरे को भी है, काफी गुस्सा है, लेकिन अभी तक काफी जन को एवरी टाइम मैं हर एक ये केस के सब्जेक्ट में घुस रहा हूँ. जैसे एक ड्रग का कर दिया हमने, एक मीडिया का कर दिया, एक पुलिस का वॉचअप किया, अभी हमको फिर भी डॉक्टर का भी हमने किया थोड़ी देर. ये जैसे जैसे हम आगे आ रहे, हम वी आर शोइंग टू द वर्ल्ड के हाउ दिस केस एंड व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू दिस गाय, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी विल. आई बीन अगेन रिपीटिंग, अगर सही तरीके बोलते ना, घी सीधी उंगली से नहीं लीजिए तो टेढ़ी करना है. वो टेढ़ी लास्ट टू लास्ट एक ही है, रास्ते पे जब भी निकले, लेकिन उसके निकलने के पहले हमारे पास सॉलिड पूरे दुनिया को दिखा के खत्म करना है हमको. एंड देन हम हर एक कल के तारीख में हम कब कुछ भी बोलेंगे, अगर हमको कि अरे वो ईडी का ये बाकी है, करके दिखा दिया ना सर, क्या बात कर रहे हैं, ये करना है, अरे करके दिखा दिया ना, क्या बात कर रहे हैं, सब है हमारे पास. आपके पास तो और ज्यादा होना चाहिए. वो तो ईडी तो बैंक भी गया रहेगा, बैंक से उसका क्या क्या नहीं निकाला रहेगा, हमारे पास तो है नहीं. हम तो ये ऐसी जो आया वो दिखा रहे. अभी ये 80% है, 70% है, कितना और उनके पास है हमको पता भी नहीं. which will जो जान के और हमारा ब्लड बॉयल होएगा, बराबर. सो वो तक आने तक हमारा फर्ज बनता है, एंड इट्स अ जॉब टू untangle this mystery by itself also. And with this today's, I want to say that this guy was honey trap. That's what I want to say, and that's what it makes sense to me. बोलिए आप लोग.
Hello.
Yes,
woman was planted and this guy was trapped. This is a classic trapping.
Honey trapping. Yeah.
I agree to freeze by.
Yes. Go ahead, Shilpa ji. Please bole aap.
Okay. Good morning, Varun. For
Good
me,
morning.
it is morning. I don't know that what is the time.
11:30 रात के बज गए.
Oh, sorry.
मेरा
Okay.
तो 1:30 हो रहा है.
I know आपका तो
Oh, I salute you guys. Okay. अच्छा, वरुण जी, मुझे एक पॉइंट रेज करना है. बाकी केसेस में सीबीआई डायरेक्टर नहीं लगता है, चीफ. सिर्फ सुशांत के केस में उनको डायरेक्टर चाहिए पेपर साइन करने के लिए. For every cases there are different directors.
Nope.
We should raise this point because 8 months के पहले उन्होंने बोला था कि सब तैयार है, पेपर सिग्नेचर के लिए गए हुए हैं. This is totally told on Republic. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Please go ahead. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. So this was open on Republic. और अर्नब ऐसे वैसे नहीं बोलेंगे जब तक उनको अंदर से कुछ खबर नहीं मिलती. Do you agree, sir?
मैं समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So basically आप कह रहे हैं अर्नब नहीं बोलते अगर उनको नहीं पता होता केस के बारे में, आप ये कह रही हैं?
नहीं, फ्रीज भाई, आई होप ये डिड फ्रीज भाई अंडरस्टूड.
आई विल ओनली से मैम के जब तक सीबीआई आती नहीं है बाहर, हमको तो इस पे लगना ही है, या तो एक दिन दिमाग सर खोपड़ी खसक जाएगा और फिर रास्ते पे उतरना पड़ेगा, लेकिन तब तक
वो तो है, वो तो करना ही है, वो तो करना ही है सर, वो तो बिकॉज यू नो वी कांट जस्ट कीप हैंड ऑन हैंड्स, बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, ये हम लोग को उल्लू बनाने का कोशिश में चले हैं. कभी खालिस्तानी का प्रोटेस्ट.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ मैम कि ये जैसे मैं भी कोई मैं तो म्यूजिक फील्ड से हूँ, लेकिन अभी जैसे घुस रहे इसके अंदर काफी चीज मुझे भी खुल के क्लियर दिख रही है, ऑन दैट बेसिस मैं बोल सक रहा हूँ बराबर कि ये ट्रैपिंग है. सो ऐसे और बहुत सारे ये चैप्टर्स है, ये पूरे सीन के ये जो 1.5-2 साल का जो सेटअप था ना, ये हर एक चीज चैप्टर हमको खोल के क्लियर करके फिर हमको उतरना है.
that is true. No, that is true. But my point is कि इन लोग बोल रहे हैं कि सीबीआई का डायरेक्टर चेंज, उनका रिटायरमेंट का हो गया है, इसके लिए केस आगे ढकल रहे हैं, ये है वो है, you know. And whereas this was told on Republic that since the director, you know, the papers are already gone to the director, it is just pending for the to sign for the 302 case. This was told on Republic. Okay. And now they have said that the directors are yet to be appointed, that it is lingering on. But whereas other cases जैसा हाथरस का केस, ये केस, वो केस, कितने इसमें सीबीआई है, सब में रिजल्ट लग गई है सर. तो उसमें डायरेक्टर नहीं लगता साइन करने के लिए.
मैंने तो आपने जैसा ये पॉइंट बोला, मैंने इधर नोटपैड पे लिख लिया कि कल आके अगर कोई फालतू के लिए रीजन दिए ना, तो हम बोल सकते हैं बाकी सब केस में तो आपने बराबर करा है. सो सुपर पॉइंट मैडम, सुपर पॉइंट.
Please.
Thank you, sir.
Which month did the father and OP Singh write to Parambir Singh? Which month?
February.
Right? I am telling you, this guy knew from January onwards. Since his birthday onwards, he went home. He was aware. These guys knew what was going on in 2020. आप लिंक देख रहे हो? He's clearly saying she's not my girlfriend. He knows. He's a smart guy.
He's a smart guy. I think that's where he was unraveling some stuff, and probably in the due course of that, he came across a lot of stuff.
Absolutely. And that's why I have a feeling that he asked for Disha. He or someone else. I mean, Disha just happened to be the person who replaced Shruti Modi. I have a feeling. This is what I based it on. I mean, Hema ji has a very valid
Disha's
point.
parents were offered 3 crores. One more point. Disha's parents were offered 3 crores rupees. Okay. Hello?
I just want to be mindful. You know, जो चीज अभी validated नहीं है. I don't know, ये statements मैं भी पढ़ रहा था, देख रहा था. You know, कुछ लोगों ने Twitter पे भी शुरू किया था. I don't want to just base it out of somebody's Twitter comments.
अरे शिल्पा जी बोल रहे, आप बोल रहे. ओके, मैंने अभी रियलाइज किया. शिल्पा जी कैसे ऐसे बिलीव कर सकते हैं हम मैम? आप सोचो ना, कैसे चीज आया है ट्विटर पे, कैसे
नहीं, I'm not telling to believe.
एक मिनट. इसलिए आप ध्यान करेंगे कि मैं जब भी पढ़ रहा भी था, ये सारे के सारे जो ऑलरेडी मीडिया में प्रिंट में है, मैं वहीं से पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं ट्विटर से किधर कुछ नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ, यू नो, बिकॉज फिर उसका वैलिडेट कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? हम नहीं कर सकेंगे ना.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah. And I seriously, just to add to Free's point, right? मैं आपको नहीं कह रहा शिल्पा जी. I mean, I'm speaking कि ऐसी बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन सुशांत से रिलेटेड, दिशा से रिलेटेड, फैमिली से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं सोशल मीडिया पे. सोशल मीडिया को हम हर चीज को वो नहीं कर सकते, राइट, कि जो आ रहा है वो सच है. सो प्लीज बी वेरी वेरी माइंडफुल. आई डोंट थिंक कि पैसों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट था. एट द सेम टाइम आई विल स्टिल से, looking at the body language, looking at the way the mom and dad ने interview दिया, there is something fishy. I will definitely say that based on my assumption and my you know वो body language बता रही कि वहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ है.
दोनों जगह का सीसीटीवी गुल है, दोनों जगह का वॉचमैन गुल है, सब गुल है वहाँ के आजू बाजू के. डर नहीं है तो क्या रहेगा फिर? वो डर ही तो है उनके शक्ल पे, और
हाँ,
क्या है?
क्योंकि पैसा नहीं, पैसा का लेकिन हम विल बी डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग दिशा, इसलिए मैं प्लीज आई रियली वांट टू बी माइंडफुल, यू नो, दैट पुअर गर्ल
Okay, okay.
टू लाइफ,
I
लेट्स नॉट यूज दैट।
apologize.
या प्लीज,
Okay,
थैंक
fine. Sir, this is now my general comments. My general comment. If at generally sir, कोई किसी की बेटी मतलब किसी का मर्डर होता है, या it's not a suicide. Either she has been killed or whatever it is. जब भी वो उनकी बेटी वो लोग लूज करते हैं, तो माँ बाप आगे आते हैं या नहीं आते सर?
हम ना वी गोइंग कपल ऑफ स्टेप्स बैक। शिल्पा जी, आई मीन हम इनके बारे में, इन चीजों के बारे में ना बात कर चुके हैं, पर मैं फिर भी
नहीं, but then no, but no, what
बहुत छोटा सा आंसर है इसका। दो चीजें हैं। पहली होती है, अगर तो केस चल रहा है उस टाइम पे, यू नो, एंड अगेन आई विल कोट एन एग्जांपल, राबिया जी के केस में शायद यही हुआ कि उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा इनिशियली ही आके बहुत बोलना शुरू कर दिया था, जिस वजह से भी उनका शायद केस थोड़ा इम्पैक्ट हुआ। तो गोइंग बाय दैट हिस्ट्री, केस जब चल रहा होता है तो बोला जाता है फ्रॉम एडवोकेट, इवन फ्रॉम द जज, कि अब ये केस क्योंकि कोर्ट में चल रहा है, you are not supposed to say anything about the person who's gone or anything related to any suspects, otherwise some action will be taken. That is against the case. अगर केस नहीं चल रहा, अगर केस क्लोज हो चुका है, there is no investigation happening, then the second thing is parents sometimes want to be very mindful of their own family, their relatives, कि हमने कुछ ऐसा बोला और कुछ किया। कई बार जैसे हमने बोला, थ्रेट की बात करते हैं हम लोग, तो थ्रेट के चक्कर में भी हो सकता है। मेरा पर्सनल बिलीफ, माय पर्सनल सस्पिशन इज, यस, दे आर अंडर सम काइंड ऑफ थ्रेट, जिस वजह से वो नहीं कर रहे। बट यू नो, द मोमेंट दे कम आउट,
ओके, आई एग्री, थ्रेट इज ओके, थ्रेट इज आल्सो देयर। उसकी डैडी इतना मतलब तुरंत आके उन्होंने 1 महीने में उन्होंने पुलिस कंप्लेंट की कि पब्लिक मतलब ब्लेम डाल रही है, ये डाल रहे हैं, वो डाल रहे हैं। he should either keep quiet if he's on threat. He should keep quiet, like how Sushant's daddy has. He has not gone against the public, because they know that we are fighting for his son. Did you get my point?
शिल्पा जी, can I say something? शिल्पा जी,
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
अगर वो उनके पेरेंट्स को थ्रेटन कर रहे होंगे, because Disha has a brother, this is what I have heard, that see how easily they eliminated Disha. It is not very tough for them to do that to anybody else. So if they threaten something कि आपका एक और बेटा भी नहीं रहेगा, then they will do anything that these people are telling them to do. So उस pressure में they would have gone and put that complaint on the public. So we should just understand that in that way, and just we are always going to be respectful when it comes to Disha's case, and we'll talk responsibly, but we are not going to just let it go just because parents are not doing this, because we can understand how much pressure it might be there.
Madam, I can understand, but what is
family तो है अभी क्या है ये सब? हम लोग फैमिली तो है,
वही है, वो डरे,
हम बोल रहे छोड़ेंगे नहीं,
राइट, वो डरे हुए हैं। उनका एक और बच्चा भी है ना, एक बच्चा तो चला गया, तो एक और को थोड़ी खोने वाले हैं, सो वो भी खोना नहीं चाहते, राइट? तो बहुत ये
खोना नहीं। मैडम, आई एग्री, बट Sushant's case is linked to Disha, so now Sushant is also having a sister. He's having 3 sisters, so if they have been threatened, and whereas they have even said that we have given a written complaint on WhatsApp, I mean request, saying that his life is under threat. After giving so much, they have they have been fighting on, they are supporting us,
right? But so imagine, at least Sushant ke family mein there is like all there are people in OP Singh hai jo ki actually officer hai, right? So they are पुलिस पीपल है यहाँ पे, लॉयर्स है उसके फैमिली में, पॉलिटिशियंस है, उसके बावजूद भी उनको टफ लग रहा है इसको फाइट करने में। तो इमेजिन अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली लाइक दिशा's family, like if it was my family, I think for my own brother's sake, if I was gone for my own brother's sake, probably my parents would have done that too.
I just want to add here, Hema ji. Meetudi is the sister who's in Bombay, right, Varun?
Yes.
If
Yep.
I'm correct, her father-in-law is a known political figure. I could be wrong. And again, this is not validated. So this is just information that I'm sharing. I think she had been attacked too. But as Hema ji said, they come from a fairly influential family. The father-in-law did tweet. I believe the tweet was taken off later after the attack happened on her. And this was in the newspapers, articles, and there was information around it. I think what has helped them go ahead is the kind of background they have and the kind of support system. I don't think everyone can have a similar background and can go ahead and fight a battle. So it would be best to leave the parents of Disha aside on this one.
And actually, at this point of time,
Okay.
I would say not only Disha, right? Anybody who's lost his or her life, I think family ko privacy ka pura hak hai. You know, and be it threat or not, really doesn't matter. Especially आज का दिन, जैसे कोई लिख रहा था, मैं अभी chat में भी देख रहा था, at least आज का दिन 14th, which is the 11th month for Sushant, at least किसी की भी family को हम question अभी नहीं करते. And then this question that somebody has put in is again a very valid point. Why did Sandeep Singh call BJP office 53 times on 14 June? So again, that's a you know, I'll have to look at the. I don't remember in the call record, but Sandeep Singh ke bhi shayad call record aaye the bahar. So if this is true, then
let him call 100 times, bro. But this time, the central government should, and I think they're well aware, if they don't give justice, they are going to face the wrath. I'm saying the wrath of the people of the country, and they better know that. You know, they are going to face the anger they've never ever seen in their life before. I can see
I agree,
from
sir.
different platforms, like how ma'am came, there is lot of anger or frustration abhi बढ़ रहा hai, especially because it's going to be 1 year anniversary. God damn it, you know, and they better do something in this 1 month, 30 days. If you remember what I had said again many months ago. Otherwise, we have to take that step, and that can be anything. Then it can be anything. Then this is not going to be that very typical कि सिर्फ CBI के बाहर खड़े रह के सिर्फ चिल्ला रहे और रेलिंग डाल दिया. No, it's going to be very different. So if anybody is listening, please, I beg of you guys, at least come forward, CBI, and at least tell us that hello, hey, it's turned into a 302, and then you guys continue. But that again doesn't mean that you continue and go.
Done, freeze by.
all right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Yes, I can't see. Leena ji, please go ahead.
Yeah, I'll just make my point and go because I have to go. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Regarding this Quan, I think whatever is right now discussed, I was just watching before also. There is something totally big. It is related to China. This company has a lot related to China. China is attacking us from all fronts, and you can see in the form of coronavirus also. It's a kind of war, I would say, against the world. So we are also like main target of China, and this company has a lot to do with China. That's what I feel, and also our other enemy country, because they are all together. But the thing is that if you notice the working of Quan, if you study the working of Quan, it is targeting only a peculiar religion ke heroes or doing something about that. If I mistake not, this issue of Kangna and Ritik, you know, that emails and all that, whatever was in media, it was just 3,000 email कौन किसी को भेजता है in spite of being too much in love or whatever. So I think there was some third person without disclosing the identity was troubling these two, and they were mistaken, you know, each other. This is what I feel. I may be wrong, again I'm saying, because you cannot, you see, it's like it's a case now, because they are claiming that she troubled and she's saying that he troubled. Matlab, unka career to like it's all at stake only. nothing else is happening in the Khan family or Bhatts or Kapoors or anything. This is a peculiar people who are, who may be having capacity to become a superstar. Are being targeted purposely. You can study this, because I'm not a person who will go in deep, but I noticed this peculiarly, and I think this was like, as somebody pointed out, this was like not just 6th or 7th June, it was way before that, because something Sushant knew already, and he had already spoken to his very close friend whom he trusted well, and it was said that he cried on his shoulders. So he knew a lot, and why he was not doing anything to Riya is maybe he was blackmailed. The way Disha's parents are blackmailed right now, maybe he was blackmailed at that time, that if you disclose something, then we will do something to your family, something to you, something, to your close ones. So that is why he's saying that I am not allowing myself to say. You understand the meaning of that? And the way he was taken out from the parties, the way Mr. Khatri took him, the way, that all this was going on for long time. As somebody said, it was going on. They may be like trying to, give him some incentive and telling him to keep quiet, and he was not ready. And then you can observe that Waze was brought in on 6th June, if I mistake not. So this, whatever thing happened with Disha on 7th or 7th, 8th midnight or whatever. So why was Waze brought in on 6th? Because this was, I think, earlier this something was going on. And again in Hrithik case and Hrithik and Kangana's case, Waze was the inspector. Waze was drilling all these things. So it is a big connection with some other country, that is majorly China and Quan. Quan कोई और talent agency नहीं है, एक ही है. और why do you need talent agency? First of all, ये तो अभी के fads है, पहले तो नहीं होते थे ऐसा कुछ. Film used to be directly offered. Why do you need that?
Yay!
And Disha was trapped in all these things, because these young people find lucrative careers, well-paid jobs and all. And Disha must have noticed all these things when she was brought in as his manager. Maybe she noticed certain things. Maybe she noticed his accounts and where was this money going on. Maybe Disha pointed out to him earlier also. We don't know that. And then this all came up to this month of June. And since earlier there was a big lockdown, so it was a bit difficult to take action. Right from March end, it was like a total lockdown. So when the unlock happened, these people did the thing, but the things were going on since long. That's what I feel. And you can study this working of Quan company. Say whom they are targeting, why. I mean, I don't think there is a sense in this Kangana and Hrithik's case at all. Again, Hrithik's wife Susan is into drugs. This is in public. And she was a girlfriend of, she was dating Arjun Rampal, who is again into drugs. You can find it in the media. So this is all connected to some particular country and against particular religion. If you can get the meaning, this is what I wanted to say. And this was going on since long. Sushant knew a lot. Sushant did not react because he was threatened. Otherwise, he was not a guy who would be afraid. And that's why he could, somebody saying, how did he fall for? He did not fall for Riya. It was his, majburi कहते हैं ना, कि कुछ नहीं कर सक रहा था उस दिन, उस time, because I think there was something lot at stake. And he knew it, and he sacrificed, his life for that. That is what I have a feeling. I may be wrong. This is my, overall study. If somebody can go deep into this Quan company's, transaction, who's, which heroes or which heroines they were managing, then you will get to know the data. Nothing happens. You see, nothing happens to Kapoor's, Karan Johar's close friends, Khans. Nothing happens to them. They can do a lot of affairs. They can kill people on the road. They can kill the Hirans. Nothing happens to them. But certain things happen to particular heroes or like stars. They are like, I would say they are being totally destroyed by certain people's like their careers, I would say. Because मुझे तो ये कंगना और ऋतिक के केस में कुछ मीनिंग ही नहीं लगता है. But they have stretched it so long. You can see, and that whole connection goes to porn. Again, वाजे का connection है. So somebody has to go deep into this porn company and study. I just wanted to make this point. Maybe it may not make sense, but to me, it shows a lot, and a connection to China and Pakistan. Please, somebody study. I have to go. I'm sorry, Varun. I just wanted to make this point.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you for
लीना जी जो बोली, या कंगना के केस में भी सचिन वाजे only was running that. That is because वैसे भी Hrithik also, I mean, he also was in drugs. We all know that, and he probably, Sachin Waze was helping Bollywood at that time, because the whole Bollywood was against Kangana at that time, trying to bring her down.
All right. I'm going to take last few comments. I see Vinita as well. Vinita, please go ahead.
Hi everyone. I had a couple of quick comments or observations. So first of all, Freeze, bro, kudos really, because we don't then sound like a bunch of conspiracy theorists who are here to, kind of, I'm sorry to use the word, but bitch about a bunch of, folks, like we have nothing better to do in our lives, right? This is because we genuinely believe that something terrible has happened to a guy who had so much potential and had so much to give to the world, honestly. And that was literally snatched away. And if that can happen to him, it can happen to really anybody. And so that's why people like us are interested in this. And this kind of analysis gives that clear picture to the naysayers. So I'm glad that you guys are doing this. The second thing I wanted to I always wondered, right? Her family, they don't make sense to me. If I was dating some guy, I bring him home, he is whatever he's doing, like things are ordered in the house, I would be kicked out along with that guy. Like, it doesn't, the family doesn't make sense to me. She, okay, whoever she is, but the parents, they just don't make sense to me. How do they go along with this kind of mindset? It just bothers me a lot, because every single person that I know in my life, and they're from different groups, different societies, rich, middle class, poor, every different kind of backgrounds. I have friends all over the world, not just Indians. None of them I know would have reacted that way, the way her parents did. Does anyone ever wonder? Just curious.
When you say reacted, what do you mean?
Meaning, yaar, ghar pe koi bimar baitha hua hai, and what do? Just let him stew away?
They had money flowing in.
Correct.
Yeah. And also, Vinita, even the father was doing something with drugs, everything. I mean, the whole family was into drugs.
It's just bizarre. I've never heard of any family like that before. Like, it's a very bizarre situation, to be very honest. And it's unfortunate that he got mingled with them. But I do not think that he knew about her affiliations before, because otherwise he wouldn't have registered a company on her name. Like, the company name includes her name in it, like it's Realytics.
Yeah.
So I don't think that he was genuinely, I think he thought that
I want to add here.
Yeah, I think I agree with
He was
Vinita.
high. He didn't know what he was doing.
No.
We just showed that 2 days ago.
Can I say
If
this?
even if you look at the signature in the papers, the papers, we are not sure what's up with the signature. They're not looking
that
genuine.
part I get, but I'm talking about, I saw his interview on India Today with somebody, I can't remember his name. And when he was asked about the company, and also when he was asked about, you know, who is he dating? Is he dating? The kind of typical questions every celebrity is asked, nothing different. But when he responded, he looked to me that he was genuinely, connected to this girl. To me, it sounded that way. He looked like he was moving on in his life in a direction he wanted to.
Can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
Whether he looked like or he was made to look like, I can't say much on that, because once again, I keep going back to the stories that we know in perspective of other people who have gone through this. The other point I want to make is Vivekanandji had once mentioned that, this lady had literally arm twisted him into, giving the IP and the app name, making it on her name. So I wouldn't be surprised if the companies were also under pressure, in her name and stuff like that. And of course, as Free said, he was high always. So it's a combination of many things. I don't think he was in love with her at all.
Yeah, can I add something? Actually,
Yeah.
in this point, I do agree a little bit with Vinita ji, just because, like we have already showed before, right? Like we are talking about today, is like he was really honey trapped, and in that case, you are actually trapping them with love. So I think he thought he was with her, and I don't think he realized anything completely until Disha came into picture and few things happened, and then he started. He from March, if you remember, Pitani had told that he started stopping the bipolar medicine. That is when things have started kicking in, when he has got a little bit of clarity, as was coming, and they were trying to probably put him down again. That's when he's got a little clarity. That's why by May he had got full clarity, because by May he was already trying to control his finances. He was doing a lot of stuff that like that, and then that's why in June he ended that relationship. So
Yeah,
it's
I think
yeah,
initially he was given the impression that he's I think that's what he was thinking, is probably, okay, somebody gets me finally. Like,
right.
I always struggle, nobody gets me, and somebody finally comes into my life who actually gets me for who
Right.
I am. And
That
that's
is
why I think
how the honey
he
trap
fell for
happens,
her.
right?
And that's honey trap, exactly. Like he was manipulated into a corner in his head. I think so, at least.
And
That's
if
why
you
he formed
remember,
those companies with her.
yeah, and if you remember in her interview, what did she say? I mean, she has very good manipulative lines. One of the lines she said was, मैं हमेशा बोलती थी कि मुझे एक छोटा सुशांत चाहिए. See that manipulative means कौन सा
Right.
लड़का है
And then if
जिसको तुम
somebody
ये
asked her,
बोलोगे तो
who is
उसको
he
अच्छा
for
नहीं
you?
लगेगा.
She
Because
never accepted that she was dating him. Never once did she accept
right,
it.
but what I'm saying is
Chota
these kind
Sushant
of
चाहिए उसके
lines
साथ.
also
Yeah, right.
in a honey trapping, it can pull the guy's emotions, right?
Yeah.
So
I think
because
she knew how to do that.
yeah, so it that is how she has done it. That's how manipulatively she has done it.
Varun, we should get Ire. He could really talk a lot about honey
Yeah,
trapping and
he's
how he
not
felt.
responding right now, but yeah, we will. I'll keep on trying. Don't worry. I am trying.
And
May I say something?
Vinita ji, that also goes along with what we were talking the other day about them drugging him, and him being that submissive, like how Freeze was talking about certain kind of drug that you kind of become submissive to it. So it goes along with that, everything.
Yeah. And also, I think that a lot of this happened only, I genuinely think, because the Chichore promotions ended and they jetted off to Europe. And his face, his skin, his eyes,
Varun,
to me, looked pretty clean up until that point in time. And then it changed. He looked sickly after that. The minute he came back, even the airport pictures, I don't know if you have noticed that when he landed back and they were clicked by paparazzi outside Mumbai airport.
No, it's been said, Vinita, it's been said from the gym, from the watchmen, ex-staff, everybody. They all have said the same thing. Sir, जब ये return Europe से आए, वो बदले बदले थे, he was not himself, डेंगू बोल के घर पे बिठाया, वहां से took him to Cornerstone, this this house was decided, each and every staff were removed, her choices of people were kept, it was all set, it was well planned, this was a trap.
Yeah.
And in Europe only something has happened. Europe only they have given.
I want to give a point.
One second, Amit. Sorry. While Benita is still talking, but yes, Noshirji, I think you wanted to make a point. But it's a bit. Please go ahead.
Thank you very much. A few observations about all of us on the panel here, and being watchful and mindful that there are others waiting to speak. That's number one. So please short, crisp, and not extend or stretch the matter. Second point of observation is that in this moment that we are, we should avoid and refrain from negative questions. CBI ये करेगा नहीं करेगा and all that. With due respect to all the panelists, you refrain from using these words. If की जगह पे आप अगर आप when बोलते हो तो when में ज्यादा दम होता है. if बोलते हो तो it's साधारण सा weak word. When is a strong and affirmative, powerful, constructive thinking करना चाहिए. In this moment that we are, and we are only sharing our views amongst us. We are not panelists on the CBI hearing and all that. CBI की hearing हमारे discussion पे नहीं होने वाली है. And they are well-trained people of the enforcement agency, so we have to respect them. That is very important to understand. And our country's central government state is geared out from many angles and many sides. They have to take care of West Bengal, they have to take care of China, Pakistan, the Bollywood gang, and everything. So we have to give time. Our Sushant ka case, CBI ने हाथ में लिया towards the end of August. Is that correct or is that wrong?
Yep, somewhere around it.
So we cannot say it's 1 year over. When Rabia Khan, Dia's mother, she has been fighting for 7 years. Sushant's case is not even 1 year old. So why can't we hold our horses and be positive and constructive in thinking and not throw negative replies or negative assumptions and procrastination? Very important that we stand strong. Yes, like the NCB chief, what is his name? Once again?
Freeze.
Who was there on the show? So
Wankhede, Samir Wankhede.
Yeah, so we have to see how well he was managing the whole session and how affirmative and constructive he was in the approach of our questioning to him. And he was so humble in, taking the session through very nicely. So we have, the way we trusted Mr. Wankhede, we should trust the central government and the enforcement agencies like CBI as well. Because Sushant is not an ordinary case. It is going to dig the grave of all the murders. So this is definitely going to take a long time. And Sachin Vazhe, Paramveer Singh, they are the proof that the beginning has already started. The downfall of Maharashtra, MBA government and everything is already started. That is why Katie Pankwin and others are quiet now. So we should only be strong in our movement and not say destructive words or statements, and we should say constructive words and statements. Very important. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, Noshirji, for that guidance.
Varunji, before you go ahead, I want to make a point right now, right here.
Sure.
With due respect to the उनका नाम क्या है? मैं देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
Noshirji.
जो Noshirji. You said कि अभी कि CBI को वक्त दे दो, ये कर दो, है ना? चलो CBI को वक्त देना चाहिए हमें, लेकिन 3 दिन से 3 एपिसोड जो बना उस पे क्या आपको नहीं लगता है? इतने एविडेंसेस अगर पब्लिक डोमेन में बैठ के पब्लिक ने ही पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म से उठा के दिखा दिया तो सीबीआई को नहीं जवाबदेही होना पड़ता है. दिस वाज माय पॉइंट. ये आप 7 साल का साथ इसको कंपेयर क्यों कर रहे हो? 7 साल का माजरा अलग था, वहां पर इतनी आवाज नहीं थी, लेकिन इस वक्त मिलियन लोग आवाज उठा रहे हैं, जबकि 3 दिन से 3 एपिसोड बना, वो भी अच्छी इलाबोरेशन के कारण। तो ये बहुत बड़ा एक एक्सपोजे भी कह सकते हैं आप। तो इसके बाद और आपको क्या चाहिए सर?
Okay, can I explain it to you now? Now the thing is, the whole case has to be handled very delicately and in a professional manner by the CBI and the team of other enforcement agencies. That's number one. Number two, nothing is supposed to be disclosed under the Secrets Act till the case is completely on the table of the court. The public has all the rights on RTI basis. After the case is submitted, the papers are submitted into the courts of CBI, and then when it's going to start in the hearing, then we have the right to ask. Till that time, we don't have, we are general public, and we don't have any rights. Even the family members have no right to interfere in the government. Do you know about that, or you don't know about that? You must know
but with due respect to you, sir, with due respect to you, we stay in a democratic country and everybody has got a freedom to speak. So this was our freedom of expression, so we did it. So I think there is no harm in it. These are all the evidences which are shown, which are from the public platform, which is not created. It is already available in the club.
Just one thing. Naushir sir, I just wanted to say one thing. We are not asking CBI for anything. We're not forcing them for anything. All we want is for them, and we know enough to tell them that, you know, they must come and now say that it's a murder. That's number one. And number two, take your time. Tell us how much time are you going to take. We also work. It doesn't happen like we go on working for years and years on something.
I want to ask one question to Nausir ji. Nausir ji, one question. How long you're ready to wait?
It's not the question of how long you're ready to wait. Number one is the whole scenario of murder was botched up. The whole witness zone was cleared up. So CBI has to gather all the proofs and reconstruct the whole stage play of the drama of murder.
Who botched up? Who botched up?
By the team of members who are involved. Very simple. And CBI knows about all these things. CBI is far superior and well-trained professional team of people. So we cannot just demand so many things from CBI in the early stages of 8 to 10 months. We can't expect to get any, it's not your first semester or second semester of your school or college that you are asking or demanding, what are my marks, what are my marks.
So
you really think all of us are behaving like children and kids, and we are taking this like a unit test or a school exam?
One point here, sir. So 1 point. If you're my boss and if I have done a corruption, would you be questioned, yes or no? So if evidence has been botched up, if the police was there, I could be sounding like a school kid. Anyone here could be, sir. But the point is that it has to begin there. Has that happened?
The inquest did not take place, which was explained by Advocate Vivekananda Gupta. That's number one. Even Abhigya Kushwa had also explained a few things. If you all have to refresh your memory, that the inquest did not take place, the actual postmortem did not take place. Many things have been botched up, which cannot be disclosed to the general public at this juncture and point of time. Because we have to be wise enough, if we are educated, that by leaking the information out, we are giving more advantage to the murderer to clean up more things in life, and more people will be killed. The fact that many people in the Bollywood did not voice out, it simply is a very big proof that everybody knew that Sushant is getting murdered. Come on, think it over. Why people did not? They were all.
Sir, after 14, there were many people who were been killed.
Sir,
Yeah, let me interject. Sorry, guys.
But
I
we're
feel
not
like-
even going till the murder, Varun. If the police is responsible for something and they've not done it right,
Yeah.
I mean, they should be called a spade. Should be called a spade. I'm not even going in the murder.
Correct.
So
So let me
so
now,
there's two
everybody,
things to
I gave
this.
everybody an answer, opportunity to say. Now
Guys,
let me also respond back to Noshir ji. Noshir ji,
Yeah.
again, the point that you're bringing up is also valid, and I agree that Vivekanand ji and all that, whatever everybody in the legal system have said. But let me be very firm on this, सुशांत अगर एक्चुअल तो मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि ब्लड में, अगर मेरा ब्लड का भाई होता, ठीक है, और उसके साथ ये हुआ होता, मैं यहाँ यूट्यूब चैनल नहीं चलाता, मैं इस टाइम पे कहीं कुछ और ही कर रहा होता, बिकॉज आई वुड वांट दैट जस्टिस टू बी सर्व्ड टू मी, टू माय फैमिली. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड, अगर मैं अपने आप को डाल रहा हूँ सुशांत की फैमिली की तरफ, ओके, पहले मैं सुशांत की फैमिली के बिहाफ पे थोड़ा सा बोलूंगा, एंड देन आई विल answer in behalf of all the family.
You are freeze. You are freeze.
I am freeze. No, I'm not freeze. Freeze is only one and only one freeze.
नहीं
All right,
मतलब
now can you guys hear me?
Video got.
हाँ, नहीं मैं समझ गया. Can you guys hear me now? Okay. All right. So first of all, I'm gonna answer behalf of the family. अगर family की तरफ से होता, मैं family को represent कर रहा हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल, I will follow the guidelines, the regulations given to me by my advocate, and I will not utter a single word, of course, because I've been told to do so. तो इसलिए फैमिली की तरफ से हम समझ सकते हैं, that's why we are doing what we are doing, because family cannot do this. Family is not feeding into us, but we are in a way representing the family. We are the extended family. Now, even as a warrior, now if I have to respond, हम नहीं बैठने वाले 7 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल, I don't even know. With the COVID situation right now, again, I'm very grateful, and I don't want to demean anything. 1 second, Noshir ji, आपको मैं मौका दूंगा, पहले just hear me out. I don't know the situation with COVID. So many people are losing their life every single day. Do you expect each one of them to wait till their last moment and still say, you know what, मेरी lifetime में न्याय भगवान करे, अगले कुछ महीनों में, अगले कुछ साल में justice मिले? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Plus, on top of that, there has to be, everything is time boxed. मैं अगर छोटे छोटे एग्जांपल दूं, चाहे वो मेडिकली आप कहें किसी को बीमारी होती है, आप ये नहीं कह सकते that it will take its own due course of time, अपने आप heal हो जाएगा. You have to fix the problem. आप उसको treatment देते हैं. Same thing on this case. You cannot just wait on the judiciary and the judicial system to act as per their own wills and fancies. Yes, we understand it takes time, but at the same time, there is something called as a people pressure. हम लोग जब question पूछेंगे, हमें answers चाहिए. We have elected officials. We voted them. This is not a system के किसी country का मैं नाम नहीं लेता कि वहाँ पर बैठ गए हैं और they are the rulers. We've elected them. So if we've elected someone, then they need to act. They need to respond to our needs, our wants. और अगर हम केस से related answers मांग रहे हैं, they are accountable. चाहे दिसंबर में आई थी वो एक नोटिस जो स्वामी ने मांगा था. If one Swami can get a update from CBI in a document, why can't we get an update? हम यहाँ ये नहीं कह रहे. To be very clear, Noshir ji, one thing which I really want to answer loud and clear, we are not expecting कि कल को conclusion निकाल के वो बोल दें. But we need to know certain things about the case, whether this is going in the right direction or not, whether the culprits, the suspects have been, उनके investigation हुई है कि नहीं, have they been, questioned or not, and so on and so forth. So we cannot just keep quiet forever and wait for the system to run its own kind of, 10, 20, 15 years. That is not how it will work. अगर ऐसा होता तो हम लोग फिर ये सब कुछ कर क्यों रहे हैं? Again, what is the whole point? यहाँ पर कोई, this is not fun that's happening, right? This is not a TV series. Okay, I let Freeze also chime in here, and then I will have
one question, please.
then
Noshir ji, please answer all our questions together. One question to you. What if something happens to the family? Who takes responsibility? What if in the meanwhile we're waiting?
Varun, let me complete my version of your
one second, Noshir ji. 1 second. One last. Let Freeze finish off and represent all of us, and then uske baad, yes, you answer that. Freeze, please go ahead.
Naushad ji, with all due respect, I salute you, but I'm sorry, sir. We are the new age, we are the new breed, and we are fed up of normalization of delay of justice, and we are not going to let that happen this time. That's all I want to tell you.
All right. May I start?
Varun bhai,
Yes.
before Naushad ji speaks,
Okay,
one
Amit,
one
Amit,
sentence,
please.
please.
Sure.
Yeah, Naushad ji, with due respect to you, sir, that you said that we are acting like a kids and all. Yeah, we are kids. Because we are kids, that's why this came up. Otherwise, it was in a thanda bistar and it go down. Right? I am proud, and I think we all are proud to be kids. अगर किड नहीं होते तो दिमाग में खुराफाते नहीं होती, सामने नहीं आता. Because of this, CBI came, and because of this, justice will 100% be delivered. So, sir, please, with the due respect, I 100% agree with Freeze Bhai. This was my take.
All right.
Can I
Can I
say
come in?
just one line? Just
Number
one
one,
line.
number one, who is the last person who spoke? I need to know his name.
Amit.
Yeah, Amit.
Yeah, Amit Sarkar. All right. Again, with due respect to you, first I will answer to Varun Kapoor's earlier version of explanation that in my place, if Sushant was my son, I have said it to a couple of my friends out here that in case Sushant was my son, I would get to do the investigation and actually murder those people. That was my affirmation. That's point number one. When I say kids, it simply means that we are all grown ups, but we are acting childish, not childlike. If you know what is the meaning of childish is chiti bacha. Childlike means बच्चा जो और सीखना चाहता है और जानना चाहता है और क्यूरियस होता है. तो क्यूरियस होना अच्छा है, बट हद करना अच्छा नहीं है.
But you've not answered me how long you're ready to wait.
Wait a minute. Let me continue speaking, please. Now, coming back to the duration required. Now, try to understand that Sushant Singh को मारना वो एक ही मर्डर नहीं है सुशांत सिंह का. It is involved on the basis of drugs. It is involved on the basis of other murders, polling murders, and many murders before that. That's point number 2 and 3. Point number 4 is our country has been forced to, divert the attention to other topics which are trying to break our country down. The Tukde gang, which involves so many other factors like Italian waitress and the Pakistan ISI and everyone involved in the Bollywood are all co-linked with that. Plus, the humiliation of the West Bengal election. Now, West Bengal, we did not win, but can you imagine how many seats BJP won in West Bengal? It's a very big record for BJP to win the West Bengal. Lose the election but get so many seats. BJP wiped out the Congress. BJP wiped out the leftists. Now, leftists are also thorn in the garden. They are snakes in the grass. The leftist people like Arundhati Roy and others who are with the toolkit and others doing conspiracy against our country. So we are derailed in so many directions. Are you all hearing this? Hello?
Yes, sir. We're waiting for you to finish so that others can also
Can
get
you
a
hear
chance
this?
to speak.
Yes.
Hello?
Okay. Looks like
Can you hear it?
Yes, Nosharji, we can hear you. Can you hear us?
Oh. Am I audible?
Looks like we are not audible to you, sir. Yeah,
Am I
looks like
audible?
yes, Nosharji. Why don't you join back again? Meanwhile, I don't know, Vinita.
Can I
you
say
wanna-
something?
Yeah.
I'm here.
Can I say?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. No, I was going to say that we are always going to have millions of problems going on every day in India. So that doesn't mean that we are going to, that doesn't mean that now if we leave this, then we are never going to get anything done. It is now or never for us, and that is why we cannot like keep quiet. We have to like we can't wait. Somebody waited for 27 years, okay, and now Jia Khan's mom is waiting for 7 years, so we can't say okay, we'll wait for another 5 years. No, we are not in that age right now. Like Freeze said, we can't let that happen now.
Okay,
Can I
I think
Uh,
enough for this particular topic and this discussion. I think let's kind of move on for sure. Again, this is an option available to everyone. To be very honest, anybody who wants to wait can wait. Anybody who doesn't, definitely have a voice, and we should continue, raising a voice for sure.
Varun,
So I'm going to move on. I think Freeze. Sorry, before we go to the video, Vinita, I think were you done with your points?
yeah, I just to kind of wrap this up, there's two ways to look at this. You've got there's a public justice and then there is the legal justice, right? When we do this, why am I participating in these conversations? Because I want to keep up the pressure that, boss, nobody has forgotten. That's the message by doing this. Now, as far as the legalities, the technicalities, the charge sheets and all of that, frankly, I'm a practical, I hope for the best, prepare for the worst kind of a person. So, yahan pe, I agree with Naushad ji. With his wisdom, he has seen many days in his life. I would agree with him that isko time lagega. Ye case ko time lagega. It is not going to solve in a very short time, and by that I mean short time would be anything less than 5 years is short time in my sort of definition of time frame, and ye 5 saal ke upar jane wala hai ye case. But I have that
no,
kind of
no.
tenacity
Sorry,
in me to keep
I'm
asking
sorry.
questions.
Let me.
I just
One
want to
second, let her
continue
finish.
this and
Naushad ji, let her
support the
finish.
stream. But thank you so much for listening.
Okay, all right. Okay, Naushad ji, please make a comment.
Yeah. Now, we were earlier discussing when I mentioned that we should be constructive and not destructive in our thinking and discussion. That the thing that I mean that constructive or destructive simply means that हम लोग 5 साल की बात नहीं कर रही है just because Jia Khan's case is getting dragged up. We are not meaning that. We are simply meaning that our country is undergoing so many other pressures and conspiracy to break our country. That's point number one. Point number two is सुशांत के केस में एक आदमी इन्वॉल्व नहीं है, 15-20 जन या 40-50 जन इन्वॉल्व है। ये सुशांत के केस में ड्रग इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता तो इतने सारे ड्रग पेडलर्स कहाँ से पकड़े? सुशांत वाज द ग्रेट लीड, और सुशांत मरने के पहले ही बहुत कुछ अपनी तैयारियां करके गया है, like how he was insulted on the award shows and other places, how he voiced out. He's already made his preparation. He's done the good studies of before dying क्या होगा। और फरवरी का जो वो लोग ने पुलिस वाले ने जो निग्लेक्ट किया, जब उसके फादर ने कुछ बोला कि I want to contact or something of that sort, and which is forgotten by people in the discussion. I don't know whether people still remember that in February Sushant wanted to contact, or his father wanted to contact him, and something happened and he was not being allowed to speak to. Then every other sequence of events, right from the time they shifted from the earlier house to the Bandra house, Mont Blanc, all this are looked and taken into sequence of events. Usme Farhan Akhtar, Amir Khan, everyone is involved. The whole T-town body of the Khan market is involved in that. तो वो लोग को सारों को पकड़ने के लिए पूरा खान मार्केट ऑफ द पाकिस्तान इज बैकिंग देम अप। अगर अर्नब गोस्वामी जैसे इंसान को जेल में डाला जा सकता है तो यू कैन इमेजिन कितनी वो लोग जोर लगाते होंगे सुशांत की केस दबाने के लिए। बट अगर ऐसा हम लोग के एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज अगर कमजोर होते So Samir Wankhede would not have done so many raids even after they were attacked by 60 people mob in Goregaon West in the 5 months ago when they were doing some raid in Goregaon. We all remember this.
Yeah.
So all these things we have to freshen up in our discussion and not just blame the government कि हम लोग रुक नहीं सकते. When I say बचपना नहीं करना, it doesn't mean childishness. I'm sorry, it means childishness, not childlike. Childlike will definitely ask questions. Ask questions, yes, but then post your questions on the tweets to the PMO office. Post your questions to Amit Shah's office. Let us do that as a moment.
Okay.
Instead of discussing only over here, let us do bulk mailing and tweets on Amit Shah's name, on Ravi Shankar Prasad, who is the law minister. We can tag Ravi Shankar Prasad in this case. Like Ravi Shankar Prasad is the law minister. Why can't we take him into look?
We did. We tagged Ravi Shankar Prasad with the Khans also for his daughter's wedding. Everybody's tagged.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I'm gonna thank you, Naushad ji. Yes, Amit ji, please let's move on to the next.
Yeah. Just before you move on, one point. For me and for everybody, Sushant Singh Rajput itself is a national duty which we are doing right now. जितने मुद्दे हैं समाज में, ये भी मुद्दा एक समाज में है. ये नेशनल ड्यूटी है हमारे लिए. इसलिए इतने लोग वीडियो बनाते हैं, इतने लोग सड़कों पर उतरते हैं. अदरवाइज को उतरता नहीं. ठीक है ना. और दूसरी बात यह है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि दूसरे मुद्दे इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है तो ये मुद्दा सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Okay.
इसलिए मैं आपको डिफर नहीं करता हूं, बस यही कहता हूं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत इज आल्सो अ नेशनल ड्यूटी. प्लीज मेक इन योर माइंड आल्सो एज वेल.
Yes.
वरुण जी आप कंटिन्यू करें प्लीज.
हाँ, नहीं, I agree. I want to end this topic because this will be like a loop otherwise, and we might not come to a conclusion. Bolo Freeze.
I don't have much time.
Yeah.
I have to get this done fast, then get Jia and then get to my Karan. Time नहीं है मेरे पास.
Absolutely. No, I agree.
Oh, ये देखो अभी.
ये कब का boss?
I'm telling you, this
You know, you are
इसका पोस्ट है. Just married लिखा है.
engaged. I swear.
Then
This is like instigating right now, at least for me.
that's why I want you to. नया दूल्हे राजा देखो.
What the hell?
Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
I am.
क्या बात
When
हो
did
रहा
this
है
happen?
अरे बाप रे बाप.
बाप रे बाप.
और रुके ना, इतना देर रुकना. और नेक्स्ट बच्चे भी जब भी होंगे तभी तक.
We should wait for CBI, yeah, please. We should wait. Let them do their job. We should wait some
I know,
10 more
Baba.
months.
I know we'll wait, but there has
Let's
to be
wait,
a
let's
slot. No, there has to be a time. No, right?
No, we will wait now. See now, they're also grieving, sad. We should wait. We are kids.
हम तो going to tag this wife, name and shame. ऐसे आदमी से शादी कर रही.
आदमी killer.
Better,
Okay.
yes,
Say
murderer.
that. I'm saying it on a live अपने ही live पे, but seriously, man, this is.
अरे आपने वो रुकने बोल रहे.
I think we should end this on this right away. This is enough to kind of.
I thought he sent you a picture of Ekta or something.
Varun, please tag Nupur ma'am, Nupur Prasad ma'am, and other people, please. They should know. I mean, they're very fast.
ये नूपुर प्रसाद मैम को भी कुछ ना कुछ करके दबा दिया इन्होंने, पता नहीं क्यों।
If this image does not enrage everyone, then I have very little to say and I have very little hopes.
People can go and check. Let's
फ्रीजर ये कहाँ से मिला? इंस्टा से?
yeah.
वो खुद उसी का खुद का इंस्टा?
अभी थोड़े दिन में
देखो,
ये सेलिब्रिटी प्रोड्यूसर हो जाएगा, फिर डायरेक्टर,
देखो आप-
फिर then he'll be a big guy.
एक जगह काम, केस इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो नहीं पा रहा है, दूसरा जगह मस्ती और पार्टी शादी वगैरह सब कुछ हो रहा है।
Remove it, Varun. That's enough.
Freeze your mute.
I said it's okay. We have a couple of more goof ups and all this rubbish to expose to the people. We'll do that, and let's see how कितने हद तक बेशरम हो सकते हैं. And I'm sorry, we are not this normalization of रुको चलता है होएगा. It has to stop sometime very soon. बहुत हो गया.
और अगर मुझे डर होगा कि मेरे फ्यूचर में कुछ अनसर्टेन है तो मैं शादी नहीं
करूंगी। हम लोग जिधर दिखेगा रास्ते पे, अगर बॉम्बे में तो दिखूंगा तो मैं तो 3-4 जन को पकड़ के मारूंगा, या तो अकेला तो अलग बात है, पब्लिक के साथ मिलके उसको देना पड़ेगा।
We should all tag CBI actually. We should all.
CBI के पास थोड़ी ट्विटर है जो टैग करोगे आप, CBI का ट्विटर ही नहीं है।
That's another thing. I was shocked. I said this long time ago. उनका ही क्यों नहीं है? ED का है, NCB का है, सबका है, उनका ही नहीं है सिर्फ इस टाइम।
That's why we always tag Nupur ji, but we don't know who कौन देख रहा है कौन नहीं देख रहा है।
Okay, guys, I don't think this was a little too much. I might even just throw up. Seriously, this was, I don't know what to say, man.
And shame on his family also. शादी करा दो, इसका लाइफ और ऐसे नहीं नोट मिला रहेगा, लाइफ सेट हो गई इसकी। When he went to Hyderabad, remember he opened up a company, he incorporated a company.
Yeah.
प्रोड्यूसर बन गया ना वो, फिल्म बनाएगा अभी वो।
हाँ, किधर गए? बोलो अभी उनको कितना देर रुकना बॉस?
He left.
He's there. देखा ना सर, अभी कैसा लगेगा?
We like to hear you.
रुको.
All right. I think all right. This is really disgusting. Anything you want to say? Let's close it. Let's start with Noshaji. Noshaji, anything you want to say? You're mute.
Thank you very much to all, and once again, with due respect to everyone, there was no demeaning to anybody. And yes, patience is the highest virtue. और गाय का काम एकदम मुश्किल का काम होता है. So please hold your horses. Think constructive. Don't think destructive. Let us stand together. That is very important. That's it.
All right. Thank you so much. Amit ji, you want to say something?
अभी जो ब्रेकिंग न्यूज आया उसके बाद तो मुंह से दिमाग से कुछ भी नहीं निकल रहा, पता नहीं क्या है। अब आप कल देखोगे कि रिया की भी शादी हो गई होगी, वो भी आपको दिखेगा किसी न किसी के साथ। तो मतलब दिस इज गोइंग लाइक समथिंग बियॉन्ड आवर एक्सपेक्टेशंस। और अब तो एक ही उपाय बाकी है भाई, अब सरकार पे डायरेक्टली अटैक करो, और कोई उपाय नहीं है आपके पास। क्योंकि ये सब जब हो रहा है, ये जब सोशल मीडिया पे आ रहा है तो सबको पता चल रहा है ना ये कहाँ से कहाँ क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है। जबकि ये एक सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है आज के डेट पे। उसको सॉल्व करने के बगैर, उसको घुमा 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 कर कुछ ना कुछ बयान पेश करने से किसी का कोई सॉल्यूशन होगा भी नहीं। इतने सारे एपिसोड्स, 3 एपिसोड्स करने के बाद, इतने खुलासे करने के बाद अगर अब भी सब कुछ सोए रहे हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल से अब एक ही उपाय है, बाहर निकलो और आवाज उठाओ।
Now, Amit ji, even what happened in the US, debunk the police, okay, finish the police. Yeah, हमारे काम का नहीं है बॉस, ये CBI, ये सब एजेंसीज, it's not of अपने काम का नहीं है बॉस, नहीं अपने काम का।
आप देखो कि जब पॉलिटिकल कुछ भी काम रहता है, सीबीआई ऐसे काम निकाल देती है। बोलो, अब जब ये एक पब्लिक आम इंसान का हुआ तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं। दैट टू ही इज अ मेगा स्टार।
आम भी नहीं था, हाँ, पता भी नहीं चलता।
नहीं मैंने आम इन द सेंस मतलब वो तो बॉलीवुड के लिए आम ही था ना, इसी हिसाब से मैं बोल रहा हूँ। पर अब क्या दिख रहा है, ही इज द वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट सुपरस्टार। तो अब तो मतलब ये हो गया कि आपको भरोसा पता नहीं करना है कि नहीं करना है। अब तो मेरा दिमाग से कुछ अलग ही निकल रहा है।
उस दिन वरुण आपने बोला था ना, जब आपकी डॉटर्स को किसी ने कुछ बोला था डेरोगेटरी, आपने बोला था कि उन्होंने यूएस सिटीजन्स को बोला है एंड दे विल सी व्हाट दे हैव डन। आपको लगता है हम इंडिया में बैठ के ऐसा कुछ बोल सकते हैं? और हमें कैसा फील करना चाहिए टैक्सेस पे करने के बाद, हर एक लॉ, हर एक चीज फॉलो करने के बाद कैसा फील करना चाहिए? आई रियली वांट टू आस्क, आई एम एंगेज्ड।
नहीं, इंडिया में बहुत कुछ होता है। आप यूएस से इंडिया को कंपेयर मत करो। यूएस में बहुत कुछ दूसरा अलग सा नियम चलता है, इंडिया में तो कुछ भी चलता है, कुछ भी चलता है। आप कुछ भी खरीद सकते हो, कुछ भी बेच सकते हो, ये कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है। सो यू डोंट कंपेयर विद यूएस एंड इंडिया, ठीक है। यहाँ पे अनाप शनाप बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं, कोई भी आपके ऊपर डिफेमेशन केस भी डाल सकते हैं, आपको अंदर घसीटते हुए निकाल भी जा सकते हैं। अर्नब को जैसे पकड़ के अंदर घुसाया, तो हम सभी किसी को भी घुसा सकते हैं। दे कैन डू व्हाटएवर, द पावर है तो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं।
इसको इतना क्या कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा कि ये स्टेप ले रहे हैं? सोचो
एग्जैक्टली
कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा उसको,
कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है। और अगर अर्नब चुप हो गया तो हम लोग क्या हैं?
नहीं, अर्नब चुप नहीं हुआ है। अब वो तो खुद तो बीमार है, कहाँ से बोलेगा भाई? उसको स्वस्थ होगा तभी ना बोल पाएगा।
सर
नहीं, मैं आपको देखिए उनको आप देखिए, आप ऐसा देखिए कि अर्नब का चैनल का नेटवर्क का कितना आदमी काम करता है। अगर वो चीखता चिल्लाता रहा तो कंपनी बंद हो जाएगा। उसके वजह से कितने लोगों के घर चल रहा है। तो वो भी पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचना बहुत जरूरी है। वो बात करेगा जरूर, ये सेड इन सेवरल शोज कि वो बात करेगा जरूर। वो अर्नब का मैटर अलग है।
आई एम नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग हिम, ऑफ कोर्स वो बात करेगा, मेरा तो पूरा विश्वास है। कोई बात करेगा तो सिर्फ वही करेगा, बट द पॉइंट इज कि उसको भी चुप करा दिया। इमेजिन
वही ना। अब देखो, आप यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा मिशनरी क्या है? ये पावर ऑफ मनी है, पावर ऑफ मनी है। और इंडिया में मैंने कहा है सब कुछ चलता है। तो आप याद करो वो दिन जब एक बड़े खान ने सड़क पे दारू पीकर बंदे उड़ा दिए, ठीक है, उसको सजा हुई 10 साल का, लेकिन हाईकोर्ट ने उसको बेल दे दिया। तो सोचो ना आप, हर चीज से उसको बेल मिल जाता है। आप सोचो, आप इंडिया में मेजर रिफॉर्म्स चेंज करनी पड़ेगी तभी कुछ हो पाएगा, अदरवाइज ये चीज आपको दिखने को मिलेगा। आप देखोगे जो सस्पेक्ट हम बता रहे कल, वो सब कुछ शादी कर लेंगे, फोटो डालेंगे, मजे करेंगे, और हम यहाँ बैठ के
छोड़ो। इन लोग जब आए भी 14 में, when they came in 14, उन लोग बहुत लोकपाल क्या इन लोग नहीं लाएंगे, क्योंकि अगर लोकपाल लाया ना आधा पार्लियामेंट अंदर जेल में रहेगा। ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, सीरियसली,
बिल्कुल।
सो फॉरगेट इट। अभी नाउ वी हैव टू, नाउ ये देखा, नाउ वी हैव टू थिंक जो सोचे थे, हाउ वी मोबिलाइज इट, हाउ टू हिट द रोड, बिकॉज वही अभी लगता नहीं इन लोग एक और मंथ देते, चल नेक्स्ट मंथ उसका एनिवर्सरी है, डेथ एनिवर्सरी है, उसके बाद पत्थर उड़ा के फेंक के मारना पड़ेगा पूरे सब जगह, पिकअप स्टोन्स स्टार्ट हिटिंग।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, और कुछ करना नहीं है अभी।
मुझे लगता है कि अब जिस तरह लोग वी हैव कम टुगेदर, राइट, दिस विल नेवर हैपन अगेन. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस राइट नाउ.
नहीं
Like I said, it's now or
मैम,
never. अगर कुछ भी चेंज भी करना हो ना, इवन लाइक 1% चेंज भी सिस्टम में करना है ना, तो अभी हमें ये करना है, अभी करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं यहाँ पे
जब
वीजी
हमारे
चंद्रा
पास
का भी
स्ट्रेंथ
केस
है,
हुआ है
ये स्ट्रेंथ कभी नहीं
अमित
होगा
जी,
हमारे पास.
जी।
मुझे वरुण एक चीज पूछनी है, ये जो यूपीएससी देकर आते हैं ना, आईएएस आईपीएस बनते हैं, ये हमारे कंट्री के सबसे ज्यादा एजुकेटेड और शार्प माइंड्स होते हैं. यूपीएससी क्लियर करना इज नॉट अ जोक. पीपल स्पेंड देयर एंटायर लाइव्स बिहाइंड इट. ऐसे लोग आके ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं, और अगर उनके होते हुए भी जस्टिस नहीं मिल रहा है तो किस काम के वो लोग, मतलब दे आर एंडिंग अप लिसनिंग टू एनी पॉलिटिशियन
No,
और
America,
एनीबॉडी.
this is purely the politician. This is, they are under their clutches
Why
here.
are they
They
listening?
cannot do
Are you
anything.
and I
We know that.
listening? Are we listening? Why are they listening? Who stopped them? जो लेटर परमवीर सिंह ने आज लिखी है, पहले लिख देता यार, हम उसकी इज्जत करते.
See, no, when look at these people also, no, when they're taking 2017-18 का केस अभी डाल रहे, क्यों? तभी पता नहीं था क्या तुम लोगों को ये खा रहा है?
Exactly.
तो इन लोगों जब भी इनके हिसाब से तभी they want to work, no, that's why I'm telling you. And I said this, Varun, remember 4 months back I told you, I feel Sushant is going to be a revolution, and if not, then forget about it. Trust me.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. If
And
not now,
revolution
forget about it.
happens only, I am telling, I was not a fool and an idiot just to praise or make Rekha ji happy. What did I tell her yesterday or day before? Yeah, day before, that when we hit the road, we need you. And otherwise, there's not going to be, yeah. इन लोग अभी कैसे ना कि वो मीटिंग जो था हरामखोर के साथ, ये उसका रिजल्ट है ना. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस इसके पास कैसे रहे कि he is getting married. Imagine. So what should we take? Seal हो गया, deal हो गया, it's all done. ठीक है. We'll wait for 1 more month, then we'll hit the road and we'll take the stones and just break all your windows and whoever it, जिसको भी लगता है.
मैं बोलूं नॉर्मल क्या होता? नॉर्मल होता पिठानी screaming on the roads, my friend was killed, my friend was murdered. That didn't happen. And what is happening is shocking.
If you remember,
somebody is saying in the chat, Samuel Miranda got married.
If you remember, जब पिठानी को मुंबई पुलिस ने पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया था, तो जब वो बाहर निकला तो मीडिया से बात करके उसने कहा कि इट वाज अ थ्रिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस. तो याद है वो सीन, वो दिखाया से थ्रिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस करके किसी के बाइक में बैठ के भाग गया. बट दैट डे ऑनवर्ड्स ही वाज बीन, उसको पता चल गया था कि सब खत्म है कहानी.
नहीं, उसने ये भी बोला था कि
वो बोला था कि थेरेपी था,
थेरेपी था, राइट, थेरेपी था. Right.
I really want to poke, man. I'm sorry, guys. I know you won't like it. I really want to poke more people. I want to pinch them. I'm done. Is this how it will be? Is this how justice will be served?
And now that somebody named that name, we have completely forgotten about that guy, Samuel Miranda. He's actually in the FIR. In Patna FIR, he's one of the named in the FIR. Forgotten about him.
तो रिया इसकी शादी में गई थी क्या हैदराबाद?
That's what I'm thinking. ये जो हैदराबाद ट्रिप हुआ था.
Yeah. Right. It connects. 100%.
They are all.
And secondly मैं कहूँगा ये हैदराबाद मतलब ये तमिल इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग होगा.
Slap on a face. It's slap on all our faces. Shame on the government. Shame on the agency. Shame on central government. Shame on you people. Cheating us, betraying us.
Varun, for this session, अगर कोई अपना face नहीं दिखाना चाहता है ना, please allow करना, please. आने दो, please.
Yeah, but मैं एक बार फिर भी बोल देता हूँ. I would love. I still have to see your face in the backstage. I will take you without camera. I cannot just let everyone and anyone. So give me like 2 minutes. Let me do this. This. I will share the link here itself. Give me, and I don't care about anything else right now.
Shame on Modi ji, shame on Amit Shah ji, shame on BJP, shame on you people. सबसे बड़ा शिव भक्ता हो, सबसे बड़ा शिव भक्ता बात करते हो।
Seriously.
हाँ, हिंदुइज्म आपको लाना है, सबसे बड़ा शिव भक्ता हो। Shame on the government, shame on the agency, shame on central government, shame on you people, cheating us, betraying us.
Varun, for this session, अगर कोई अपना face नहीं दिखाना चाहता है ना, please allow करना, please. आने दो, please.
Yeah, but मैं एक बार फिर भी बोल देता हूँ. I would love. I still have to see your face in the backstage. I will take you without camera. I cannot just let everyone and anyone. So give me like 2 minutes. Let me do this. This. I will share the link here itself. Give me, and I don't care about anything else right now.
Shame on Modi ji, shame on Amit Shah ji, shame on BJP, shame on you people. सबसे बड़ा शिव भक्ता हो, सबसे बड़ा शिव भक्ता बात करते हो।
Seriously.
हाँ, हिंदुइज्म आपको लाना है, सबसे बड़ा शिव भक्ता हो।